Hello and welcome to another video of our operator platform tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to take some time by explaining some of the improvements we've done for the freight and shipping integration with the sales module and customer website shopping carts, and also in tangent with that, the update that we had to do for our freight companies. So I'm going to start off with explaining the additional feature that we've added for our freight companies. In order to access this page, you would need to click on the freight menu and click on Manage Companies menu item. In here, if you now want to add a new company, freight company, or edit an existing one by clicking your desired row, clicking on Action, and then the Edit button, you would now be able to see a third flag essentially that allows you to deem a specific freight company as with or without carrier fees. This essentially allows you to mark some of your existing freight companies as without fees, and the benefit of that is the system would automatically then hide some of the specific fields whenever you are choosing that freight company and would like to proceed with assigning a shipping information for your orders. There's always this little eye icon that provides you with extra information about how this option affects the system. What I can suggest is mostly if you want, you can have a specific freight company called Pickup, rather what you can think of as freight companies as payment methods. You can have a record called Pickup, you can have another record called local, another called within specific vicinity, like short range, anything that is befitting of your organization and the way that you would like to handle the freight strategies. But by marking a specific freight company as without carrier fees, then whenever you choose that company inside the cells, it'll streamline some of the processes for you by not requiring you to pass in any bill to information or account number / company name, right? The metadata for bill to. So that's the first thing that I wanted to let you guys know. The second thing is within our sales module, if you now open the quotes, you can now have complete access over the shipping information. This used to be only available whenever you had turned a quote into a sales order, but due to the integration we've had within our customer websites shopping carts, by adding the shipping information there, we've also made the decision of adding this here so the operators of the system can also have absolute control over the information that they're providing with regards to shipping. So same as in sales, you can select your specific shipping company, select the bill to, and depending on the information, you can select whether you can also fill in the account number or company name for specific items inside the bill to, then the freight code, customer charges, and a tracking number. The system, as I said in previous videos as well, also automatically provides an estimated freight fees or shipping quote depending on the current shipping address of the customer and the products that we have inside our order. But that said, I'm also going to demonstrate how the pickup works. Now, if you actually click on pickup from store, since we had marked that row as a shipping as a company without carrier fees, then the only thing you would need to provide is shipping date, and the rest of it is automatically filled as 0 for you. Now you can also have some specific freight code or customer charges as well. There is no system limitation at this point, since you might come across a situation that you have to charge for a freight fee, even though let's say that it's deemed for pickup. Maybe it's something related to packaging, or maybe it's something related to anything specific to that order. So I just wanted to also update you on that. I think with having access to shipping information later on, if you want to print your quote, now you would be able to view the shipping carrier from the freight company selection as well, for those of you who would like to provide a more accurate printed version of your quote to your customers. I think having said that, this should conclude this video. Yet again, this video focused on providing extra, more accurate information about the additions we've done for shipping companies with regards to their flag, and also the ability that now you have to fill out the shipping information within your quotes. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully I can catch you on the next one as well. Bye for now.